Hi, welcome to XMPie. This video introduces the new uStore NG theme technology that was introduced with uStore version 10. This introduction video will provide a quick look at the new aqua blue default theme, a top-level preview of the different ways the theme can be customized. I will introduce some key concepts and terminology that will help you understand the new theme technology. So I recommend you watch this video fully before jumping into the following videos about more specific topics. Since this is the first release of uStore with the new theme technology, I will discuss some requirements and limitations and outline some future plans for these to be overcome. Finally, I will point out some additional videos that dive more deeply into managing the different aspects of uStore NG themes. Let's jump straight into a preview of the default aqua blue theme. On the home page, the header area includes a logo on the left, top-level product groups, and other functional icons on the right. There is a promotional area, and then product groups. You can see the product groups now have an assigned image. Below the product groups are featured products, and a footer area at the bottom. The home page is fully responsive, catering for tablet and mobile devices as well as desktop. If you click to a product group, you will see any subgroups are displayed at the top and group products at the bottom. For existing customers, the product order process will be familiar as the same .NET controls are used wrapped in the new header and footer. They are not exactly the same as previous versions. There are lots of changes to help make them more responsive, and there are significant CSS changes which we will look at in a later video. From the uStore backoffice perspective, when you create a new store or edit an existing store, you have an option to use the new uStore NG themes or continue to use the legacy uStore skins. When an existing uStore server is upgraded to uStore 10, all existing stores will be defined as uStore Legacy and continue to operate without any impact. If you select uStore NG, the Appearances tab will allow you to select a theme. For this first release, there is only one theme provided out of the box. XMPie plans to add more in future, but you will see in a moment how it is possible to make customizations to the theme for different stores. In fact, all of these different stores are using the same aqua blue theme. These theme customizations are easily made via the uStore admin site by selecting Customize Theme, which opens the theme editor. Here you can use simple controls to modify the theme for this individual store, changing the logo for example. The aqua blue theme uses about 40 different CSS variables, which makes it much easier to make global theme changes from store to store. You can find information about the available CSS variables in the uStore NG Theme Customization Guide. For example, I could enter text color heading blue . After a moment, the editor will automatically save the draft and you can see the change in the preview. For even more control, you can add custom CSS here to override existing CSS classes. These edits are in draft mode, which can only be seen by the uStore administrator. When you are happy with your changes, you can publish the theme customizations to make them live on this store. In addition to customizing the aqua blue theme for each store, uStore's Admin Presets area provides an area for you to download and upload themes. This makes it possible for web developers to make more structural changes and additions to the theme using React.js. For example, to add promotional areas into the design or change the way products are displayed. There is more about this in a later video. So you will have noticed that we talk about themes now instead of skins. Themes refer to a skeleton or structural framework that is available server-wide and can be applied to one or more stores. Themes can be downloaded from or uploaded to the server, making it possible to modify or create new themes or transfer themes between different servers. Each store on the server that is using the new uStore NG themes can have theme customizations made via an easy-to-use theme editor. When uStore version 10 is first released, there will be some limitations or requirements with uStore NG themes. In this first release, uStore NG themes are available only for B2B or business-to-business stores. We hope to add themes to B2C or business-to-consumer stores via the update system in a future release. When using the theme editor in the uStore admin backoffice, you must use the Chrome browser. No other browsers are officially supported for the uStore admin backoffice. Front-end stores using the new theme technology support the latest modern browsers, including Safari, Chrome, and Firefox. Initially, there will be no support of Internet Explorer 11. However, this will be available via the update mechanism soon after release. At the time of release, only the uStore homepage, product groups, and header and footer are fully customizable by downloading and modifying the theme. Other pages contain legacy .NET code wrapped in the new header and footer. XMPie intends to migrate other pages to the new theme technology as soon as possible. These additions will be deployed via the update system. XMPie expects to deliver rapid updates to uStore, so keep an eye on the update page to take advantage of more new features as soon as they are released. There are several more videos following this introduction to dive deeper into uStore NG themes. If you can only see this introduction video, then you need to log in to Campus to access the others.